If you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, increase natural light, and create a cozy nook, bay window installation in Gilbert might be just what you need. Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that combine elegance and functionality. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about bay window installation, from design choices and preparation to the benefits and costs involved. Why choose bay windows for your Gilbert home? Bay windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Gilbert because they bring both beauty and practicality. Structurally, they extend outward from your home's exterior wall, creating a three-dimensional view that allows more sunlight to enter. This design not only makes your living space appear larger but also offers panoramic views of your surroundings, a major plus if your home is near scenic desert landscapes. Some top reasons to consider bay windows include: enhanced natural light. Their angled design draws in more daylight than flat windows. Added space. Ideal for a window seat, storage, or reading nook. Increased home value. They offer a visual upgrade that often appeals to buyers. Ventilation. With side windows that open, you get better airflow through your home. Types of bay windows available. When it comes to choosing a bay window style for your Gilbert property, there are several popular options. Box bay windows. These have a flat front and 90-degree angles, ideal for modern homes. Oriel bay windows. Mounted to an upper floor, supported by brackets or corbels, perfect for adding charm without altering ground level space. Canted bay windows. Common in Victorian-style homes, with a flat front and angled sides. Circle bay windows. Featuring a rounded appearance with more windows, adding elegance and space. Each of these styles can be customized with different frame materials, such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, to match your home's architecture and budget. Preparing for bay window installation. Before installation begins, your contractor will evaluate your home's structure to determine support needs. Bay windows are heavier than traditional windows and may require additional framing support to ensure safety and longevity. Here's what the preparation process typically involves. Consultation and measurement. A technician will visit your home to take accurate measurements. Permits. Depending on local regulations in Gilbert, a permit may be required. Customization. You'll choose frame materials, glass type, like double pane or low-E glass, and optional features like built-in seating. Scheduling. Installers will coordinate a convenient time for installation, which usually takes 1 to 2 days. The installation process. Bay window installation is a delicate process that should always be handled by professionals. Here's a high-level overview of the steps. Removing the existing window. The old window is carefully taken out, and the wall opening is prepped. Installing the new frame. A bay window frame is anchored securely, often with a roof or covering if it extends significantly outward. Sealing and insulating. Ensuring the window is weatherproof and energy efficient is critical in Gilbert's hot climate. Finishing touches. Interior and exterior trim is applied, and any custom features like a window seat are finalized. Cost and ROI. the average cost of installing a bay window in Gilbert ranges between $1,800 and $4,000, depending on size, materials, and customization. While it's a significant investment, bay windows tend to have a solid return, improving resale value and lowering energy bills when energy-efficient glass is used. Finding the right installer in Gilbert. Look for a licensed and insured window contractor with strong local reviews. Ask about warranties, past installations, and if they're familiar with building codes in the Gilbert area. A quality installer will offer you both peace of mind and a beautiful final result. Final thoughts. Bay window installation is a smart, stylish way to transform your Gilbert home. Whether you're dreaming of a sunny reading nook or simply want to boost your home's curb appeal, bay windows offer an excellent blend of form and function. With the right planning and professional help, your new windows will provide beauty and comfort for years to come.